Seeing you after a very long
Yeah, it feels I'm feeling so motivated now to seeing you.
time. Yeah, same here. So, the great things that you have been doing in your business and everything. So, how is the business going now?
Oh, it's all good. Like I'm so happy with all my results now.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you'll be proud of yourself and doing all the things that you're doing.
Yeah, I'm really very proud.
Yeah,
Okay,
now I'm
okay.
going to ask you some of the questions one by one. You have to
Okay.
answer to all those questions, and once we complete the this process, then the certification process happens on team will be qualifying and they'll be preparing the certificates and all these things happens. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. To get started with Alisha, now I have a question for you. The first question is you have to explain me about how was your business before joining the 100 LGM system, and after joining the 100 LGM system, what and all things you got in your business, what kind of growth have you got in your business?
Before joining 100 IGM system, I was working as a assistant makeup artist for other makeup artists, like for their bulk bookings and everything. On a daily basis, I was working like for 1,000 and 2,000 rupees, like worked with many clients for one day. So that was not beneficial for me. But in my starting stage, I used to do all those things. But then when I found this 100 LGM, I saw your ad or something on Instagram, and then I inquired about all this. And now after joining 100 LGM system, I'm really, really very happy after this. And after joining 100 LGM system, I built my Instagram from scratch. I got bookings for bridals, for shoots. I work with celebrities, Hollywood actresses, and budding artists, budding models, and everything. Like I got ad shoots also 2 times, and then work for jewelries, bridal shops, and everything. Yeah, I'm so
Okay.
happy to see my growth from here.
When we had the this one the conversation on consultation call, as you mentioned that you have to work from whole day, and after that the artist will end up paying you only 1,000 or very less amount, and you were in that situation. And after that, when we started, though you had very less work in the sense very no kind of work on your profile, from that level within that marathon time, you were sharing the results that you're doing all celebrity makeups and the kind of this one opportunities. Can you just tell Alicia that how exactly did you manifest all that?
Like after like marathon only everything what happened, like after doing the assignments, after like following you blindly, as you told that follow your mentor blindly, I was just following you blindly, and I see my results today. And I manifested, when I was seeing other artists, like I was even manifesting key, like how they are doing, how they are getting clients, how they are taking me to work, like even I want to be on their position and take people for my work. And today it's happening the same.
Okay, it is opposite now. You are getting the people to your work, and today's is completely opposite.
Yeah.
Now tell me, Alicia, approximately after joining the system till now, what is the amount you have, revenue you have earned, and what is the minimum of bookings you have crossed?
Like I most almost work with 50 to 80 clients by now,
Mhm.
like artists and everything, models, brides, everything. I worked like 80 uh, models till now, and then approximately I have earned in past 1 year is about 3 lakhs.
Okay, 1 year is 3 lakhs, and approximately you have crossed more than 50 to 80 clients. So, how
Yes,
are you feeling by
I'm
sharing?
feeling very good now. Like from like 1,000 to 2,000, that one on and off, and now to 3 lakhs is very huge income now.
Yeah, so financially you have become so independent, and how confident you're feeling.
Very confident now. I'm even now improving my communication skills also now. Before I was so like didn't used to work, didn't used to talk, nothing,
Uh-huh.
just silent everywhere. Now I'm just picking up also.
In the assignments also, when it comes to content marketing, you used to do everything good.
Yeah.
Apart from editings and everything was best. But when it comes to you speaking, you were a little bit shy, or I used to see that this one on your face that still you're nervous and you're not able to communicate what exactly you want. And the one day that the result that you shared, Alisha, that one of the famous hair artists, he's coming to your place, and you were the one who was doing makeup among, there were a lot of famous makeup artists in Hyderabad. Then how come that opportunity came to you only?
By word of mouth marketing only it came. Like everything was organic. Till now I worked with all the clients, everything is organic. I didn't pay anything for ads or anything till now.
Okay, so you are taking the organic wave. Just by the organic wave, if you're able to crack this much, then obviously, clubbing all together, digital way and organic way, it is going to be more. And doing the shoots for the ads and everything is a very greater thing. And always I give this example for a lot of people that see, by having zero work on the profile when Alisha started, when she can reach to this level when where she's doing all the celebrity makeups and all, then getting to that point is very easy. It is just that dedicatedly you have to follow the things.
Yes.
And you showed the dedication and dedicatedly you follow the things, and because of that, approximately you've crossed 3 lakhs also, and you have crossed 50 and 80. Now you are in this position, Alisha. If I ask you now that, how much is the importance of marketing in a makeup business? Can you explain me that how important it is?
Honestly speaking, I worked mostly on my makeup skills
Hmm.
than marketing, but everything like marketing, just because of my makeup skills, makeup work, marketing got very easy for me. Like
Hmm.
everything was word to word marketing and everything, so I did not spend much on marketing. Like
Hmm.
I have did not make any cards for marketing or anything till now. It's only word to word.
Okay, so you have been following the organic marketing strategies. So both the things, what I say my students also, there are two ways. One is organic way, one is digital way. If
Mhm.
you put your 100% in organic way, if by not spending a rupee also you can crack a lot of things, and a lot of people they end up cracking. And there is second digital way. In the digital way also, by spending 10 rupees, you should have so much of skills inside the marketing, that by spending 10 rupees, you are cracking 10,000 to 15,000.
Yes.
These are the
Oh,
two advanced and smart strategies that you can use. And the first way that you're taking for organic way, it is very great that you're taking. Now, how was the experience in 5 week program marathon?
oh my God, 5 week program marathon was really frustrating, very hard, very challenging. And at the end, it was like, कि अब नहीं होता, we will leave the marathon. It was very challenging. Like I used to do my bookings, then personal issues, then everything, like everything got clubbed doing the assignments. It was really very hard. Those days were really very hard for me to do my assignments and everything and submit on time. But those days were so nice. Now I realize that those days were so nice. Like those days are now giving me results.
Yes. So, how was the your team and the support from your team at that time?
My team was really very amazing. Like different mindset people, different state people, everything, everyone got clubbed in one group. It was very nice. My team was very supportive during the marathon. But till now, also, we are like in contact with everyone and everything is going great now. And even Roshni and Rizwana, they also helped a lot in mock calls and editing, the showing editing in the marathon and everything. They really worked a lot for our team, and also the other members in the 100 LGM group are also very cheerful. Like when we crack any results we post in the group, that everyone is so cheerful.
So, how lucky do you feel being in this 100 LGM community?
Now I feel very proud. I'm very lucky to have a mentor like you. Like no one is so supportive till now. Like no one will give this much dedication in teaching and everything. You're the best.
Like, see, why I give 100% for my students is because already have been gone through the journey which this nowadays makeup artists are going through. Maybe getting not getting any booking, zero bookings, being in the very financial way, being in that negative zones, and all those parts have struggled a lot. And when I overcame that, and now I can understand that what an artist is going through, and why I give my dedication and though that kind of strictness and rules and regulations is because I know that to have a discipline in life and to get the results in business, there is a commitment required, which is just lagging behind. People will have knowledge if they focus on themselves, or if they pressurize on their mind, they will get the results. But what is the one thing missing is the commitment and the consistency inside the people.
You got the real pain point of the makeup artist.
Yes, so and you are doing a very great job, Alisha, with not only our learnings and our rules and regulations. With that, if the student is opposite, if she's showing the same dedication and commitment, then only the results happens.
Yes, yes,
You
that's
showed that, and because of that, you cracked the results, and you you proved that yes, everything is possible. By having no work on profile, also it is possible to do celebrities makeups also, ads also, ad shoots also, everything is possible.
yeah, it is possible.
Now you are into the stages, Alisha. Now, if I ask you that, can you just mention me that what is the goal you will have in upcoming 1 year that you want to achieve in your business? Can you mention that what is the goal you will have?
The goal which I want to focus now is on, like, I want to open an academy. Like, many of the people are inquiring, like, we like your makeup and everything, so open the classes now. So hopefully in near future I'm going to open one classes.
Okay, so your goal will be opening an academy, and how confident you are, towards working this goal.
I'm just in budding now, budding artist, like, just starting to cope up now. Now I want to improve my communication skills and, like, attract more leads. Working on lead generation now and working more on digital skills now, so that I can improve everything.
See, everything is very easy, Alicia. If you have the step-by-step process and if you follow that, it is going to be easy. Like how before you used to feel that okay, getting the bookings is very difficult and everything, but when you followed the journey, it became easy. Same way it is for the second step also, that is opening an academy. So in starting you feel little bit difficult. Once you understand the secrets behind that and once you start implementing that, it becomes a very easy process for you.
That's what I just want to crack that funnel now.
Yes, you have to crack that. And obviously towards that, if you're keeping the goal that within next 1 year you want to do, you have to dedicatedly start working towards that. So and when within 1 year, if you're achieving that goal and if you're making it happen, then obviously every year you will keep the goal for yourself, and the kind of success that you will reach by keeping the goals will be to another level, and in very short span of time the things will start happening.